When it comes to video, there are a whole host of factors affecting every aspect of production, no matter what its size, and that's why we decided not to offer a packaged option for video services. Every production we've ever covered, large and small, has had a different set of challenges. And for more detailed explanation of factors affecting video production costs and values, I suggest you take a look at our resource hub, where you'll find the answers to many of the questions you may have. This means that you can discuss these items with your team from a much better informed perspective. And from there, you can either discuss your project or attend a meeting, whether actual or virtual, much better prepared, much more informed, and much better placed to make the right decisions when selecting your video provider.